Hello boys and girls, Mrs. McPherson here. I want to show you a problem where you will add mixed numbers, but at the end you might have to do some regrouping in order to make your number proper and they all have proper fractions. Okay, so to solve this problem, we're going to look at the example 1 3/5 plus 2 2/3. So like all of our other problems, our first step is to find the least common denominator. Okay, you can make yourself that nice chart, and you want to fill in your multiples for 5 and 3. Okay, so I'm going to start with 5. So 5s are easy. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Let's do our 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, so if we look at this chart, we need to find the least common denominator. So in this case, it is 15. Okay, so now I need to rename both of these fractions so they'll have that 15 in the denominator. Okay, and I keep my whole number out front. All right, so 5 times 3 gave me that 15. So I need to do times 3 to my numerator. So I get 9/15. 3 times 5 gives me 15. So I have to do 2 times 5 and I'll get 10/15. Okay, now I'm going to rewrite this down below. So I have 1 9/15 plus 2 10/15. So when I add these together, something is going to happen that we need to be on the lookout for. 9 plus 10 is 19, and I keep my denominator 15. 1 plus 2 is 3. So do you notice anything about our answer here of 3 19/15? You may have noticed that 19/15 is an improper fraction, meaning our numerator is larger than our denominator. And we can't allow that. We can't leave it like that. We need to fix it in order to make it proper. Okay, so to do that, I need to convert my improper fraction to a mixed number. So to do that, I'm going to write a division equation. I'm going to do 19 divided by 15. Okay, so I need to ask how many times can 15 go into 19? And it can go in 1 time. I'm going to subtract 15, and I get a remainder of 4. So now when I rewrite this as a mixed number, this quotient here becomes my whole number, my remainder becomes my numerator, and I keep that same denominator of 15. So 19/15 can also be thought of as 1 4/15. Okay, so that is that. But now I need to put it all together so I have my nice number, because I still have this 3 out front that I need to do something with. So I'm going to add that 3 to this fraction here, and I get 4 4/15 as my final answer. And if you notice now, 4/15 is a proper fraction, meaning that I can leave my answer as that. Okay, so that is adding mixed numbers with regrouping.